What has stayed with me from the earlier edition is the quality of conversations, seeing manufacturers, leaders openly sharing their challenges, innovations, and growth journey created a very inspiring atmosphere. The Bangalore edition had a tremendous energy. There was a perfect blend of innovation, industry experience, and enthusiasm from participants. It truly felt like a platform where ideas, technology, and leadership came together to shape the future of manufacturing. For over 35 years, Fenwick and Ravi has witnessed the remarkable evolution of Indian manufacturing. What was once a market heavily dependent on overseas technologies has grown into an ecosystem capable of designing, building, and innovating with confidence. On August 6, Manufacturing Maestros Pune will celebrate these remarkable individuals and their contribution to our industries. I warmly invite you to join us as we come together to honor the people shaping the future of Indian manufacturing.